Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to clean a single room or zone on MOVA V50 Ultra. To clean a single selected room, you need to go to Room right here in the app and then select which room to clean. Now, you can set the amount of cycles performed in the rooms selected. You can select multiple rooms, of course, but I'll select just one. You can clean that room once, twice, or 3 times. And you can also adjust settings, of course. Then you can also, instead of room, clean a zone. You will create a zone that you can resize, rotate. Oh, it's not rotating for some reason. It should be rotating, to be honest, but for some reason it's not. But you should be able to rotate it as well or move it around. And you can add more zones, of course, and set cycles for all of them. So just like that. Then you can also customize the settings and you can start the cleaning task. I won't do it now. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.